How to take screenshot with voice in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to take a screenshot with your voice, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option accessibility. Now click on accessibility and then scroll down and click on vocal shortcuts. Now click on add action. Now here you can add your action screenshot. Now write here command screenshot 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 screenshot. After that you take your screenshot with your voice like that. Screenshot. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.